Hi there, it's Trisha, and I wanted to go over the trades for Friday, May 15th, and we use two setups, and you can check those out at www.easyemintrade.com. We use a number of charts with indicators for confirmation before ever getting into our trade. And the first trade that's set up, actually, you could have got in under the low of this bar here. You wouldn't have gotten very much out of it, depending on how you managed it. But you would need to know that this area was over here. So, realistically, you might have waited until you broke below that area. But if you didn't, you got a little bit out of it, depending on how you managed it. And I'm showing Fridays because some people had sent me some emails, asking questions about the setups and so forth because the room is closed on Friday. So I thought I would do Friday so I could show them the setups that actually did occur. And this is one that's set up. We had a trend line break here, and you could have entered in, we've been entering in a half above the high and using our stop a half below, but you can use a quarter or whatever you like. It just seems to be that half keeps you out of trouble, but totally up to you how you choose to manage it. So you would have got in there, and if you were trail stopping, you would have actually been stopped out here, and you would have gotten your +2. If you, it would just came down, took out your stop, and then went up a little bit more. You would never have got your +4 even if you didn't get trail stopped out. But also keeping in mind that that area was right above your head, and it is Friday, so things tend to be a little bit slower on Friday. So just wanted to point that out as well. Next trade that set up was actually just around 11:30, and you have a trend line break here. It closes below, and what I like about it, now I was already done trading, so unfortunately I didn't take this, but what I like about it is it's closed under the close from Thursday. It's under both our moving averages. It pretty much closed under all the junk that's right here. So, that was really, looked really good from here. Obviously, I didn't see it real time because I was already done for the day. But if you got in, you would have got under the bar here that broke the trend line and all this other stuff. And realistically, you would have got your +2, +4, and then if you were using a trail stop method, you wouldn't have been stopped out until over here, and on your last lot, you would have gotten 4 3/4. So, again, if you don't trade at lunchtime, then you didn't take it, but that's when it's set up. This here actually never did set up, and this is too late in the day for me to do anything with anyway, even if it did set up, even on a normal, every day, because I'm finished at 3:30. But on Fridays, I only trade in the morning, so that's why I didn't get this one here. But that's the breaks, and we have not been getting very many squeeze entries for our scalps on our smaller tick chart, and there's just nothing we can do about that. If everything's not in alignment when when everything's going, then we can't take it, and that's just the way it is. So we find alternative ways to enter, and that's why we're entering in off the larger tick chart. And anyway, you can check those out at www.easyemintrade.com. And I'm still searching for another scalp method that will allow us more entries. I've got a couple things that are pretty close, but I'm not 100% satisfied with them yet, and when I am, then I will share them with you. So have a great day.